What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. It's about 7 a.m. hot as can be, and we're gonna head out fishing. It's a new boat, and let's see what we can catch. In case you guys haven't seen it yet, it's an older Ranger. It's a 205 VS, 225 Merc, 2-stroke. I got dual Lowrance 12s up here, lives, active target, Lowrance Ghost, HTS 12 at the rear. I actually restored this boat last year, so all new carpet, new trim, new seats. Had to fabricate the seat base and put those grafts on. We did a bunch of wiring, and yeah. Show you guys real quick, just going to show you how where we're setting up to fish and how I found the spot, kind of deal. So anytime I'm looking for offshore structure, what I'm going to do is I'm going to immediately go to like the 15 to 25 foot range. Not so deep that they're below the thermocline, but deep enough that they're able to stay cool. So I'm going to flip around, show you the map, and kind of how I picked this spot, so and how I'm going to approach it. Turn you around. So we're here. We're going to head into this. So this is a pretty tight contour line here. So this is a steep break. There's a big rock pile in here that I found. It's actually not on that exact location, but that's where I want to start fishing. And I'm going to run down this right side of that break. And depending on where I see the fish on the active target, I may actually jump out to like this 21 foot range and throw back towards it. But I know that it's shallow on this side, so the fish are going to hold up on this break more than likely, with occasion to be back in this pocket and this pocket. So we're going to drop the trolling motor and see what we can come up with. But I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to see this, but that's a fish, that's a fish, fish. Right there swimming. So that's what we're shooting for. So I'm throwing a wobble head here. It's a 1/2 ounce wobble head with a Zoom Z craw on it. I really enjoyed fishing this because I can fish it like a Texas rig, but it's almost like a Texas rig and a jig mixed together. And all I'll do is I'll let it drop to the bottom. Half the time they're gonna eat it on the fall. And I'm just going to pick it up, reel in my slack, I give it a little 2-pop. So unlike Texas tournaments, you're you know, lunker up here on a tournament for a team trail is going to be, I think on the high side, 7 pounds, and average would be probably in the 5 range. There's one. That's a nice fish. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. These are winning fish. Should give myself a little more slack in the line. But nice fish right in the top of the mouth. That wobble head is nice because they can't really throw it because the hook is on a swivel basically. We're gonna get a weight on him. He's probably gonna go 3, but £3, 3 ounces. Get a release on him. Pissed. The yellow jacket was pissed. Just missed one up in here. Try and get him again. There we go. Look, the frogfish, you just gotta winch them. Oh, that's a nice fish too. We're gonna have a nice bag today. He's gonna go 3.5, 4 pounds. Actually, might be closer to 5. Zeroed out. Get him on the scale. 4 pounds, 6 ounces. It's a nice fish. Well, we didn't get to do an outro on the lake because all the GoPros overheated, and I left my DSLR in the truck, which probably wasn't the smartest decision. Pretty good day on the lake. Couple 4s, one just under 5, couple 3s. Overall, it was pretty good. Quite a few on the frog, quite a few on the wobblehead. So, if you guys enjoyed what you saw, hit the like button, subscribe. Plenty more. Probably be a little bit more tournament based than anything, but still kind of passing on what we know about fishing and what I find out, and bring you along for the journey. So catch you guys on the next video. Peace.